artists, I'm going to pause the music and the video here real quick to introduce this art journal flip through, since it's a little different. A year or so ago, I said yes to the art journal swap Extravaganza hosted by Tine Walker. Little did I know, not long after, life would get a tad busy with some personal things, so I immediately regretted saying yes. I didn't have the time or patience to make a journal, so I quickly ordered this one, and maybe a little bit embarrassed, sent it off the blank white journal with no decorated cover. Over the next 12 months, I received the most gorgeous handmade journals from other artists to create in. As much as I maybe regretted saying yes, it turned out that I in fact needed this project to force me into the studio every month. With the season of life I was in, I added some constraints to make it easy on myself. After the flip through, I added some photos at the end of the video of the art I created each month in the other artist journals. You'll probably be able to guess what some of those constraints were. As a bonus, I also recorded each spread that I created, and they're releasing to my artist friend channel members over the next weeks. More information to join my channel is below if you'd like to see those tutorials. This flip through is my boring white journal that I received back, no longer boring, with the beautiful art inside. Though the cover was still empty, so I added some printed papers a couple days ago so it would no longer be white. All the participating artists are listed in the description box below, and a very special thank you to each one for adding the beautiful art in my journal. Alright, that was a little long, so no more talking. Let's get on with that video.